Hello. In this tutorial, we will take a look at how do we move a folder from one location to another location. Here, as you can see, I have one folder called invoices, and then I have a couple of invoices as a Word document. I have one subfolder, and inside that subfolder, we also have a couple of more invoices. I'm going to go back to the source folder, and this is a target folder where we would like to move a folder using PowerShell. So what's the difference between move and copy? So copy is simply copying the content and the source remains as is. When you move a content, it actually copies the content and then deletes the content from a source. So let's see how do we achieve this using PowerShell. You fire up the PowerShell and put in a command called move item, then put in double quote, and then you would like to go for the path, which is C drive PowerShell examples, and then put the folder that you would like to move. And then again, I'm just gonna go and copy this, put it over here, and simply close the double quotations. And let's just execute the command. As you can see, this is deleted from a source and now it is coming over on the target. So let's just verify the content has also come over. If you double click on this, you see two invoices documents. We also have a subfolder, and then when you double click, you can also see the two documents which are also part of the sub folder. So that is how you actually go ahead and move a folder to a different folder. I hope this simple tutorial helped you to understand how the move works in PowerShell, and I thank you for watching this video.